Maximize success in your cleaning business with one-on-one coaching. I'm John Braun, and I owned a cleaning company for 22 years. I started my cleaning business when I was in college, and I basically just wanted to practice advertising as I was majoring in advertising, find out what worked and what didn't work, and then eventually start an advertising agency. So what happened is, a few years into my cleaning business, I started Hitman Advertising, and I specifically helped cleaning companies grow their cleaning business. So I've helped thousands of cleaning companies over the years be able to get better profit for their advertising. What I figured out is there are a few key components to success that can help you be able to take more time off, because that was really a big thing for me. This is my family, and when I figured out these keys to success, they didn't come easily. They came with some trial, some error, some learning, some coaching. I've always had a coach. Every year that I've been in business, I still have a coach to be able to help me do these things better, to be able to take more time off, and to be able to run my business more efficiently. And so here are the key components to success. One, increasing job ticket size. Maybe the jobs that you're doing aren't big enough. And if they're not, you need to do whatever you can to increase the size of those job tickets. Increasing clients from coming back. Guys, in the cleaning business, this is crucial because almost every single type of cleaning company that I know of relies on clients coming back to them, doing everything that you can to work on that client retention rate, and the clients coming back can really, really help to grow your cleaning business, and sometimes that alone can make you successful. Getting a top online presence on Google, any other search engine, even Facebook, anywhere that you can, a top online presence and reputation and trust with the search engines is key. That's something that a lot of cleaning companies, quite frankly, lack. That's something that you need to be concentrating on to be successful. Targeting better clients. Maybe you've got enough clients, but maybe the clients that you have don't appreciate you or don't want to pay the price that you need to be able to charge to be able to make money. That's something to concentrate on as far as your brand, making your brand more attractive to the people that you want to be able to target. So some of you may lack in some of these things, some of you may lack in all of these things, but there are things to concentrate on. And number 5, I've kind of left this for last because this is not always the number one thing to concentrate on, although some of you might think, I sometimes thought originally that was the thing to concentrate on, but maybe you're not charging enough. Booking more jobs isn't going to be the thing to concentrate on. But for some of you, yes, you do need to book more jobs, and that's part of the pie as well, sometimes, to getting to success for that overall picture. So what we figured out is when you are balanced with all 4 of these, and you have an online presence, and you've increased clients coming back and job ticket sizes, and you're actually targeting the right type of client, there's nothing that can happen other than success when you're doing all of these things the right way. So one of the things that I work and concentrate on, especially with my one-on-one coaching clients, are all of these things. And again, sometimes getting more jobs booked, but only if all of these other things are taken care of first would I even think about concentrating on getting more jobs booked. So some of the clients that I've worked with, again, I've worked with thousands of cleaners over the years. Here is Courtney Lee. He is actually one of the poster childs right now currently for hardwood floor restoration. Great guy to learn from too if you're interested in learning hardwood floor restoration. I've helped him with his Google Ads campaign, and right now he's told me that it's the only advertising that he's actually doing. He spent $82,000 this year, and I'm only telling you this because he posted this publicly all over the place, and he did $662,000 in work, directly from this. Now, the thing is, that's about an 8-to-1 return from Google Ads campaigns that we've worked with him, and I've gave him some tips on what he can do for his website to get his website rocking and rolling, because sometimes too, it's not only the Google ad campaign, it's also what you say on your website, so that's a big part of that pie as well. But we helped him get a record year this year, and he's booking fewer jobs, but he's actually getting more sales and he's way happier with his business. Here's another client where we came in and he started doing text marketing and he booked $19,000 from a very simple, next to no money spent text marketing campaign. Pretty new in business, doubled his sales, and he had stellar, killer record months right off the bat just from some text marketing that we helped him with. Here's another client who we helped get number one on Google. We helped book him. He never had gotten Google ranking whatsoever. Clients were having trouble even finding him, so we helped him, did some consultation with him and helped him get number one on Google, and now his past clients can find him and he's booking more jobs as a result of that. Here's another client who is in a large metropolitan area that came to us and needed some help with area rug cleaning, so we helped her actually turn her rug cleaning plant and be able to have very successful 10-to-1 return on investment for Google ads. And we've been able to help her get a more predictable business and be able to build up the rug cleaning company. Here's a client who's got a large cleaning service who was having trouble marketing to past clients. We help him streamline that and put that into effect. Here's another client who was in the cold area of Ohio having problems getting clients coming back and booking jobs in the wintertime. We helped him send out just a few letters and be able to get a 5,000% return on the investment that he made in the winter months to be able to get clients coming back. Here's another client who sent out a letter and got a 25-to-1 return when he sent the letter out from just one letter. Here's another client, Sean Bissione. He's an IICRC instructor. We helped him in our area get ranked number one on Google, and now he's found in the city and he's ranking top and he's got better branding and he's not wasting dollars on search engine optimization. So if you have questions, post below this video, send me an email. We want to be able to help. I do want to let you know that I do want to promise you for my coaching club clients, for my one-on-one coaching clients, I promise to do everything that I can to help you increase your profits. I promise to keep you accountable. I promise to be there to answer your questions and to assist you to get your project done. I have two different methods of being able to help you with coaching. I do have a group coaching club where I'll put the link below this video and give you all the details that's involved with that. That is group coaching where you can email me and ask me questions. That's group coaching to where we answer questions on group webinars. Also, you have access to our membership website where we have hundreds and hundreds of different ad templates and training for Google Ads, SEO, Google My Business, email newsletter templates, all sorts of stuff, postcard templates. We even do free graphic design for you. All of that's inside of my group coaching club. But then I also do one-on-one coaching. And especially as the year begins, this might be a viable option for many of you who are wanting to take your business to the next level. I only have a few available slots for that, mostly because my time's very limited. I can't coach 100 people every week personally and be on the phone with 100 people every week. But right now, I do have some availability for that. I'll put the link below this video. I have coaches. I use coaches. Every successful cleaner business person that I know of uses coaches, with the exception of maybe a very, very few. So if you need help getting your business to the next level, growing your business, I am there for you. Let me know how I can help. The links are right below this video, and let's make this next year the best year that you've ever had.